Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will learn next part of Java, which was based on introduction of Java. So without delay, let's begin. So guys, basically I designed this course into three parts. First, core Java and J2SE, which is called Java to Platform or Standard Edition, and second part, advanced Java J2EE. It means Java to Platform in Enterprises Edition, and third part is Android Java, to called it as J2ME, Java Platform Micro Edition. So guys, basically in this course we will learn only core Java, which was we are developing a software, because while completing our engineer we are recruiting, or the company is recruiting as a software developer. So in this course I'll just explain you a core Java. So let's start. So guys, in this slide I written some contents, which content what we are going to study in this part. So first, what is our syntax in Java, and second is how to install Java app in our phone. So basically guys, I made or to design this course as a who's don't have the laptop or desktop facilities, they peoples also can learn from this video and to install the app of Java in their phone, and they can also learn this course without any problems or without any facing any troubles. So that is very easy to learn, and it's not like we are installing this app in phone and it is most of the peoples learn most of the languages in desktop or laptop using only, but not like this. So guys, through using phone we can also learn any type of or any languages. So guys, to learn this language in their phone, it is not a big task or not a big problems to you, but while learning in desktop and phone, in this we have just a small single line difference, that is what how to install the app in that desktop, that's it. And but what is the code we are going to do in our program or in our app or compiler, which was we are going to do, that is only everything was a similar only. But our motto is whose guys don't have the any facilities or they want to learn this course or this language to improve or to make more perfect in their future or for better attempts in future, they may peoples also can learn this language through my videos. So that is only my motto, to everyone get a chance or a equal opportunity in their future to give their 100% and to facilitate yourself and give a bright future to yourself. So guys, our third topic is our first Java program. So in this language we will do our first program also, and our last topic is how to compile and to execute the Java coding process. So guys, our first topic is syntax of Java. So in this, as I written public class main, and I draw the curly bracket also. So in this we can see in second line I given some hint or clue how I write or what I need to do. So first we will look at the note. So in star means it means to write mandatory. So guys, in this language we have some curly brackets or some points or something's name that we need to mark up it, because that is mandatory to write in this code. And this is very simple code, or this is very easy or first code in our this Java language. So these things we need to write, only, we haven't any options to skip this. Second note is two parallel lines. It shows the comment symbol, means while writing in code we need to specify something, that line why we written this line. Then guys, we simply to draw or to write this two parallel lines in that, then that particular line it will be comment out, and while executing our compiler will not include this line as a code, because if we write anything in between code without any instruction, then it will be show as an error. So guys, if we comment out that particular line, then compiler will not include this line as a code, then we can easily get our output. And guys, our last note is color, means some words I written in another color, so that word is shows why this word I used and what is the importance of this word. So guys, like public public, and another color I written in below this public class means public is a class, and likewise another word is main, and in below main I written in another color is class name. So guys, the main word is nothing but it is a name of the class. Like these guys, we have lot of words like class name, method, keyword, print word, arguments. We have a lot of things, so we will learn in the next part so you can understand very well. So guys, now you can see here we have first program, and it is a very simple program also. As I previously mentioned in that previous slide, some things we need to muck up it because that is very important or to mandatory while coding or to giving anything or to coding in Java. So here I type string name Deepak and I need to take the printout of good morning. So just I design autocode like that, it will be print Deepak good morning. So guys, in this slide, how to install Java app in your phone. So guys, how to install the app in your phone, these things, it is a very basic things, and I hope everyone knows how to install this app. So directly you can go to the Play Store. Here there you can type the Java compiler, then that app automatically will come and you need to just install it and it will be automatically open, and they will give some criterias or they will ask some credentials, you just to given that and to log in it. So guys, this app is safe, secure and the user friendly, and the rating was also as 3.4, and I am just recommending this app because this is very easy to use this, because for beginners they don't know much about that the Java, but while learning, keep learning, they will knows everything. So just I will recommend this app. So guys, in this slide, as you can see here, I written in that app what I recommended you in this app, and same thing what I written in that the first program, as I previously mentioned in that the previous slide, you same thing just write here and you will get all the special characters, everything in that itself while you are coding. Then in the your keyboard you will get everything and just run it. In next slide I will tell you how you can execute their program. After writing the code, in the last lower part of that the app, you will get the arrow which I was showing. In that arrow you just clicked on that and again you will get next page of that interface of that app, and there you written run, then you need to click on that run, and then after again the new interface will open and there you can see your output what you written that coding, and that is your final output. So hope guys you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to do like, share, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.